You could say that every good woodworking project starts with a great piece of wood. Now, the great piece of wood here is called Padauk. Padauk is a beautiful hardwood that I love to use. Now I'm going to go out on a limb here and take a guess that some woodworkers out there, they may be a little offended by my content. The chances are they are much better than I am, and they don't like seeing a CNC as part of a woodworking process. I would tell you that they have a point, and I am receptive to their perspective. However, I tend to disagree. And I believe that having tools that make woodworking easier and also bringing quality and repeatability to your products. And I know if the CNC machine was on the Waterboy movie, then Bobby Boucher's mother would have said that the CNC was the devil. Now I'm going to move on to a more serious note. The reason we're here, we're making coasters, right, with the CNC. My daughter recently moved closer to my area, which was great. She saw some coasters that I made and she showed some interest in wanting some coasters of her own for her family, and her new home. And I am honored to be able to make her something that I know that she will enjoy and she'll keep for a long time, if not forever. At this point, I'm in the very early stages of using epoxies to incorporate designs into my woodworking projects. I know enough right now, and that's not much, to not screw things up too much. I've had my fair amount of epoxy screw ups and wasted material, that's for sure. So the CNC I use is the Shapeoko 4. It's the XXL. It's made by Carbide 3D, and it is a 32 by 32 inch bed. Now, the only thing I wish after purchasing this is that I got a bigger bed. You can never have a CNC that's too big if you have the room for it. Now, I don't think of myself as a skilled woodworker, and I'm not too sure that I ever will as compared to some of the others that I see on YouTube and other places. There's some really talented people out there. But I will say where I think I am today. And it starts by my son and I having a conversation. My son said, Dad, I don't understand how you're able to build some of the things that you build. I don't think that I'll ever be able to build some of the things that you put together. And I said, son, this is really simple. It's all about how much you enjoy something and how much you want to get good at it. Let's take something that you're good at. Fortnite, one of them. Your dad is never going to be a Fortnite expert, but I can tell you, you're probably a Fortnite expert. And what's the reason behind that? It's because you want it. It's because you want to be better than everybody else. It's because you enjoy it. And it's because you work hard and you have fun playing that game. So that is very comparable to where I'm at today. I found something that I really enjoy doing, and I'm working hard to try to get better at it. No different than Fortnite, riding a bike, fishing, or anything else. You learn the most about the things that you mess up. With every loss from a build, I am in many cases humbled and at the same time motivated from the experiences on the ways that I can build things much better when I try it the next time. The more you do stuff incorrectly, if you pay attention, you begin to become more skilled as you understand how not to repeat poor decisions any further. Now, setting woodworking aside for a second, I have something else that has been recently very important to me, and it is making video. Since the first of the year, which is 2024, I've started to record some of my progress and some of my builds and videos, and I've started a YouTube channel, which you're probably watching that right now. Like woodworking, I made mistakes. I'm trying to get better and I'm trying different things to see, what attracts people's attention and what keeps them tuned in because I would like to continue to make videos like this. To me, it's a win-win. I'm already going to be out in the garage doing something, making something. Why not try to entertain at the same time? Let me know what you'd like to see more or less of.